Good morning, everyone. It is July the 26th, 2019. It is 6:45 in the morning. This will be your morning earthquake report. These are earthquakes that happened overnight and into this morning. Here we go. There was a 4.3 southern Italy at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.9 La Rue, Argentina, LaRue, Argentina, LARIO, Argentina, and they've got that in at 364.1 miles in depth. There was a 3.2 Central California, 11 miles east of Little Lake at 1 mile in depth. A 4.5 Indonesia, Mamasa, Indonesia, and that came in at 18 miles in depth. Now guys, we got discrepancy here on this one. EMSC said there was a 4.5 Taiwan at 41 miles in depth. Excuse my voice. USGS says there was a 4.2 Taiwan at 40 miles in depth. Neither one of them changed their links, okay? Both links will be in the description box. There was a 4.2 Oklahoma, 12 miles west-southwest of Hennessy at 1 mile in depth. A 3.6 Hawaii, 4 miles west-southwest of Volcano, Hawaii, 0 miles in depth. There was a 4.5, here's another one with discrepancies, guys. A 4.5 offshore Chile. EMSC's got it at 9.3 miles in depth. USGS says it was a 4.3 near the coast of northern Chile at 11 miles in depth. Both links again will be in the description box. A 4.7 Philippine Islands region at 6 miles in depth. A 3.2 Central California, 11 miles east of Little Lake at 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Northern Alaska, 77 miles northwest of Arctic Village, 0 miles in depth. 2.7 Oklahoma, 14 miles south-southeast of Helena, and that came in at 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 off the shore of El Salvador at 22.3 miles in depth. A 3.5 northwest Australia offshore, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. Then there was another earthquake there, and these were both confirmed through the Australia and EMSC, so I only put the EMSC up. There was a 3.2 Western Australia, 120 miles east of Stone Valley, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.4 Iona Sea, Greece, they have that at 0 miles in depth. A 4.2 Halmera at 82.0 miles in depth. A 3.1 San Juan, Argentina at 77.6 miles in depth. A 4.0 Guerrero, Mexico at 34.1 miles in depth. A 4.1 North Island of New Zealand, and they've got that at 155.3 miles in depth. Alright, that is your morning earthquake report. You guys have yourself an awesome day. Enjoy the weather while it's going to stay cool, because they're predicting it to get hotter again. Alright, God bless each and every one of you. 2 thumbs up. Be safe out there. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome.